Hi everyone watching me on YouTube channel, Varieties Tech here with another full review for the LG G Stylo. This is the Metro PCS version. Let's gonna check this out. By looking at the phone design, we're gonna see the front now. The front has the camera located on the top, 5 megapixel, also the speaker. And also what I like about the phone, it has small bezels, so the phone really looks gorgeous. Also by looking on the phone from the back, you're gonna see on the right side there is like a laser autofocus, and also on the other side there is a flash with dual LED, and you have 13 megapixel. And all the buttons, the volume up and volume down, the power, all located on the back as well. And you have the speaker from the bottom side and the LG logo almost in the mid. From the side, as you can see, there's no buttons, but you have curved edge, which is make the phone looks really nice. From the bottom, you're gonna see the microphone and the USB charging cord also located on this section. From the top side, from the right, you will see the stylus is located over there, and also you get the cancellation noise, and you have the 3.5 audio jack. The phone has removable battery and has removable back, as you can see, and the battery power 2900 milliamp power, which is lithium battery if you would like to call it. And as you can see, I want to just have a make you see the back with details. You can see textures here, and it's plastic, but it really feels good. I mean, you can't even tell it's a plastic. And this one also here, the NFC, because this phone gonna support NFC, so they got it located on the back. So this is not for quick charging or anything like that. The phone doesn't support quick charging. And also, while we're here, you get the SIM card and the memory card from the same position, as you can see. And this phone fortunately take up to 28 gigabytes. That's a great job, LG. That's a great job. When you grab the phone in your hand, as you can see, because the size of screen is 5.7, basically you can't reach all the points in one hand, so you still need to use two hands just to reach all the points. As a phone design shape, it's really nice, and the thickness of the phone is not that much. It's 0.38 inch, and the weight, which is I'm really like surprised, it doesn't the weight that much. It's only 163 gram. Compared with that size of the phone, it's light. The display of the phone 5.7 inch. The resolution is 720 x 1280, which is full HD resolution, and the PPI is 258. And also the glass made from Gorilla Glass 3, which is resist for the scratches, and it's durable. The PPI is not too much in this display, but it's really, you can see like very high quality pictures, even like viewing pictures or watching a video. To browse the web with the LG G Stylo, there is no problem because the phone connected to the 4G LTE, and also the phone has different bands for HSPE Plus, which is we have the 800 megahertz, 1900 and 2100, which is compatible to the US T-mobile network. The LG G Stylo also up to date, and it has the Lollipop 5.0.2. Also guys, let's gonna talk about the hardware of the device, which is this device come with 2 gig of RAM, which is decent right now. 2 gig of RAM is very good. And also the processor Snapdragon 410 Cortex quad-core 1.2 A53. The benchmark is not gonna blow your mind, but it's very good. I mean, it's very decent. So they give me on the single core 480, and the multiple core which is giving me 1446. If we take that results and compare it with the Z Max, which is this phone is equal to this device, as you can see, as a size and the specification, you will see 337 1078 for the multiple core, which is the phone still give you better on the benchmark as a processor. And also the other thing I want to mention here, that the phone has 16 gig of internal memory. So let's gonna jump to that and show you the memory, which is it's a big thing for everybody who wants to download apps and the other stuff. So let's gonna go ahead and jump to the memory in the phone storage, and as you can see, it's 16 gigabytes internal memory. We have just downloaded a few apps already, and they give you available 10 point, whatever you get over there, which is kind of good because the phone, you can expand the memory as a memory card up to 128 gigabytes, which is absolutely good. You don't need more than that basically as a memory. Now the time to play games. I have downloaded Rio Racing 3. This game eats really high resolution and it's high quality game graphics. We'll just go ahead to the settings here just to show you everything's on high. So just to play the game in the high resolution and high performance. Let me see this phone how it's gonna be with this game. Can change that, just change that the camera, so let you see the performance. I'm not gonna talk about it. You guys are gonna let me know in the comment section below. Now, in my opinion, no comment. No comment. Great job, LG. And now we're going to talk about features in the phone. So the phone has too many features, basically. I'm going to just review some of it. Okay, so switch off the screen. And now, if you hold on the volume down, keep holding, that will take you right away to the camera. That's nice. And also, switch the screen off and slide your finger like that, you will see the time, as you can see. Just the time, which is really impressive. It's like the G4 and the G3 from LG as well. So you get this one right here. And also, if you're trying to unlock the screen, you're going to see shortcuts for everything. The quick memo, the camera, the messages, the dialer as well. And also, the phone support the knock on the screen, so you just knock on the screen and open the device. And the phone has NFC, as you can see that sign over here. Okay, so this is another good thing about the phone. And I'm going to show you also another thing, very interesting thing with this device is multi-windows. So you can basically add two applications on the screen. So let me just show you how to add it first. You have to go to the settings, go to general, and make sure to have the multi-windows active. Then go to the display and go to the home touch buttons and go to buttons, and then press here multi-windows and just to drag this one right here. So you're gonna have this shortcut activated. As you can see, it's right here. Push on the multi, choose. I want to use the Chrome and I want to use YouTube at the same time. I would actually just to drag the YouTube to it. So you get YouTube and you get the Chrome right here. Also, for those people that like emojis, the phone built on emojis, just go to the text messages and hit on the emojis, the smiley face here, and you have a bunch of it over there. That's really nice. I'm not trying to go for every single details in the phone, I'm just trying to highlight some of the main features in this phone. This phone, like its name, LG G Stylo, is stylus. That's a phone has a stylus here, so we're gonna talk about this one. It's mainly, you can do everything in the stylo. I mean, you can just browse if you don't want to touch with your finger, or you can do quick memo and write something on, or you can do something, just go to the quick memo, say hi. Okay, so let me just do it again for some reason. Just go to quick memo here. Okay, so you can draw something, and after you finish, absolutely you can share it, as you can see. And also, if we bring another device like Z Max and trying to use the stylus, as you can see, it's not gonna be responding. I don't understand why so far, why it doesn't work to the Z Max, why it just worked for the LG. Maybe if we know, we're gonna let you know, but I believe because the screen is TFT and the IPS display, it could be that reason. But this is very good thing to have here. Stylus. So too many people, they like this. There's no digitizer in this one. This is just a regular stylus, not like the one that with the Samsung Note. So this is different way, but it's another extra features. Something you good to have. Now we're going to talk about the camera. The camera in the phone, as you can see, guys, you get the laser autofocus is working right now. This is going to be shown only on the camera. So in your eye, you're not going to be able to see it. And you get the flash, and this is the lens here. It's 13 megapixel autofocus with the laser right here. That should be a great camera. Okay, let's going to look up to the camera application here, which is you can take pictures, you can record video, you can go back, and you get some moods here. You don't have too much, you get just the panorama, which is I'm not a fan of panorama, and you have the auto mode, which is just basically leave it in auto. Okay, and also you have some features here. Here's where you can adjust, make video full HD or just go down in the megapixel, and you get HDR, which is that's for the light sensor basically on the sun, so it will adjust the colors. And also you can add some like talking, and the camera will catch up some pictures, like say cheese or say smile and so on. So you can take pictures easily through this one. You got timer here, and you can put lines if you want. There is not too much to talk about, you know, the camera, but as a performance, a camera is great. I'm going to show you just after a little bit some like sample pictures for the front and the back, and some videos. This everything, the layout here. So as I told you, there is not too much options here. Just it's very simple, but the camera, because it depends on everything's auto, so it should be great. Yes, we got another big deal here, which is the front camera, which is 5 megapixel and also support HD video recording. And one of the nice features which LG, they give you, like to put your hand and fist, just to make a face and you take pictures. As the settings on this one is going to be like very equal to the other one, so you can put timer, you can do the voice thing, so you can take pictures through saying cheese or stuff like that, and also you can choose to be auto mode and stuff like that. So but the resolution and the pictures, it's really wonderful. So let's gonna jump on some of the samples for the back camera and the front camera, and some video samples. Guys, this is a test for the camera with the LG G Stylo for the front-facing camera with Full HD 1080p. Actually, the phone is worth to buy. From my review and my opinion about it, it's worth every single penny you invest with this device. Size of screen, the high resolution, the front camera is nice, back camera, decent storage, and very nice shape. If you enjoyed this review, please give me a thumbs up if you like, and also if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please do. As always, I will catch you up in the next one.